Have you ever wondered how to make your home feel like a magical Christmas wonderland, but with a unique vintage shabby chic twist? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to our channel where we bring your imagination to life. Hi there, I'm Sapaya. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of shabby chic Christmas decor. Just imagine this. It's a cold winter's night. The fireplace is crackling, and your home is filled with the soft glow of fairy lights twinkling off delicately distressed furniture and vintage ornaments. Sounds dreamy, right? Let's start our video with our heart of charming Christmas decor ideas. At the end of this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our future videos.